Dear students, in this video we will discuss question number 5 and 6 of icse 2025 chemistry paper. Question number 5 here is given below two set of elements. You have to find the element with highest IP. So in the first case the answer will be chlorine because it contains maximum valence electrons, and in case of B the answer will be neon. Question number second part. Ammonia gas is passed over heated copper oxide in a combustion tube. Name the gas evolved. So answer here will be nitrogen. And what will be the color of residue? Obviously ammonia will reduce copper oxide, that is black in color, to copper. So you will write the color of the copper as reddish brown, or somewhere it is written pink as well. So you can write reddish brown or pink metal is left behind. Give balanced equation for the following. So number first is action of dilute HCl on ammonium carbonate. So let's write here HCl plus ammonium carbonate. The ammonium carbonate, so you will get here ammonium chloride and CO2 and water, and then you have to balance it. So this is the equation for the first one. Second is oxidation of sulfur with hot concentrated nitric acid. Sulfur plus nitric acid will give you sulfuric acid, NO2 because it is concentrated, and water, and then you have to balance it. Okay, so this is the balanced equation for oxidation of sulfur with nitric acid. And next is reaction of concentrated sulfuric acid with carbon. So with carbon, sulfuric acid will give you CO2 plus SO2 plus water. In every case you have to write the balanced chemical equation so that you have to see, and 4 to 6 and 2 8 and 4 to the 8 is balanced. Okay, so these are the three equations. Next is a diagrammatic question in which test tube C and D is given, and in the products have been given as silver chloride and lead chloride. One common observation made by Rohit in both the reactions is white precipitate will be formed because both are white in color. And another question asked is what will you observe if excess ammonium hydroxide is added? So in test tube C, the precipitate will be soluble because it is silver chloride which dissolves in excess NH4OH, and in second place lead chloride is insoluble in excess NH4OH. Next is question number 6. In question number 6 again a diagrammatic question is given. You have to name the type of oxide in region X, that is amphoteric oxide. Identify the oxide incorrectly placed, so that is copper oxide because it is not acidic oxide. And name the oxide which will form an alkali when dissolved in water, so that will be Na2O because if you add water it will form NaOH. Next is again a diagrammatic question in which 6 diagrams of organic compounds have been made. Which compound forms a single product with bromine? So that will be obviously an alkene, so answer will be C. Which two compounds have same molecular formula? That is D and F, both are isomers, butane and 2-methylpropane. And question number C, which two compounds will react together to form a fruity smelling compound? So that is an alcohol and an carboxylic acid. So A and B will be the answer. Next question is the question number 3 is empirical formula and molecular formula. So I have already made the chart here. Elements are given, percentage you will find, these two are given, and subtract both by adding it with 100, you will get 42.1 of oxygen. Atomic mass is given. RNA you can find by dividing percentage by atomic mass. This will come out to be in this way, and then chemical ratio, smallest one you will divide each answer with 2.63. So you will here get 1.5, here 3.99 and 1. And now we have to convert it into whole number, so multiply it with 2. Here you will get 3, 8 and 2 respectively. So empirical formula will be C3H8O2. Then empirical formula weight will be equal to 12 3s are 36 plus 8 plus 16 2s are 32, so you will get it as 76. Then we'll find atomicity. N is equal to RMM, that is again given here as 76 molecular mass. So you will write here molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. You will get N as 1, and therefore the molecular formula will be equal to empirical formula whole multiplied by N, that is equal to C3H8O2 multiplied by 1 is equal to C3H8 and O2. In the next video we will discuss the question number 7 and 8.